In this video, I am going to talk about reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equations are equations in which if we substitute one variable with its reciprocal, we get the same equation. So in these kind of equations can be solved by a technique. So if the degree of the equation is going to be even, then we solve that equation by one technique, and if the degree of the equation is going to be odd, we solve by another technique. In this video I am going to talk about the degree of, if in the case the degree of the equation is going to be even. So in this example, 2 into x power 6 minus x power 5 minus 2x power 3 minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So let us assume this as f of x. So we will check whether this is a reciprocal equation. So we will substitute 1 by x in f of x. So we check 2 into 1 by x power the whole power 6 minus 1 by x the whole power 5 minus 2 into 1 by x the whole power 3 minus 1 by x plus 2 equal to 0. So 2 by x power 6 minus 1 by x power 5 minus 2 by x power 3 minus 1 by x plus 2 equal to 0. So when we take the LCM, we find out that 2 into x power 6 minus x minus 2x power 3 minus x power 5 plus 2 equal to 0. So this is same as f of x. So f of x is same as f of 1 by x. So therefore this is a reciprocal equation. This is of the form a0 into x power n minus a1 into x power n minus 1 plus a2 into x power n minus 2 so on up to an equal to 0. N is equal to 6, a0 is equal to 2, a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 0, a3 is equal to 2, a4 equal to 0, a5 equal to 1, a6 is equal to minus 2. Therefore f of x is an even degree, and it is of the form a0 into x power 6 minus a1 into x power 5 plus a2 into x power 4 minus a3 into x power 3 plus a4 into x square minus a5 into x plus a6 equal to 0. a6 equal to minus a0 if we see means that is a6 is equal to 2, a0 equal to minus 2. So if this is going to be the case, that is equal and opposite sign, means 1 and minus 1 are going to be the two roots of the equation. So x plus 1 into x minus 1 is going to divide f of x. That is x square minus 1 is going to divide f of x. We will check whether we are able to divide this polynomial by x square minus 1. That is, there is going to be the case like there is no remainder. Remainder is going to be 0. So when we divide this, as we can see, we are getting a quotient, but the remainder is minus 4x. So this is not going to divide completely. There is a remainder minus 4x. So what we are going to do is we are going to divide f of x by x power 3. So x power 3 if we divide means we are seeing that why we are dividing by x power 3. This is an even degree. We are trying to get it in the form of x plus 1 by x. That is x plus 1 by x, and then we will substitute x plus 1 by x by another variable z. So if we can get in this way means, then we can solve for that another variable z, and then we will be able to substitute back this x value over there and get the remainder roots of the equation. So if we divide f of x by x power 3, we are going to get 2 into x power 3 minus x square minus 2 minus 1 by x square plus 2 by x cube equal to 0. So 2x cube plus 2 by x cube, we are going to club the likely terms. 2x cube plus 2 by x cube minus x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore 2 into x plus 1 by x the whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x minus x into minus x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2. So we are writing it in the form of a plus b the whole cube minus the value 3a square b and a plus b the whole square minus the 2ab. So 2ab is going to be x into 1 by x, that is equal to 1. And similarly a plus b the whole cube also we are getting it. So then we are going to substitute z is equal to x plus 1 by x. So 2 into z cube minus 3 minus z square minus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So we get an equation like 2z cube minus z square minus 6 equal to 0. So can we solve this equation with by getting the sum of the products of the roots of the equation, or a product of the roots of the equation? If you see, means we are not going to will not be able to solve this kind of equation. Will not be, it is very difficult for us to solve this equation by getting like product of the roots of the equation equal to 6, and the sum of the roots of the equation is equal to 1 by 2, so on so on. We have to go on so forth. It is it is going to be a very tedious task. So what we are going to do is, we are dividing this z cube 2z cube minus z square minus 6 equal to 0 by 2. We are trying to get we are going to divide by 2, then we are going to take z square out. So z square, if we take it out, then we equate it equal to 3. So if we equate it equal to 3, then we will see that z square equal to 3 is going to be one thing, and z minus 1 by 2 is going to z minus 1 by 2 equal to 3 is going to be another root of the equation. Then we have to substitute back x plus 1 by x, and then we will be able to get the values of x. This is how we solve this polynomial.